Alright, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can download Facebook Reels to your phone. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. First up, just simply go to Facebook, and right over here inside Facebook here, as you can see, I do have a reel loaded up right over here. But there are two ways on how you can do that. The first up is uploading your own reel. So when you upload your own reel, you will be able to see an option of download before publishing. So you can do that and download your own reel. But if you don't want to download your reel and you'll be able to see some other reels like this, and you want to download it on your phone, so what you can do is just simply press on the share icon, and right over here you'll be able to see a few accounts. But just go ahead and press on copy link, and once you copy it, just go to any web browser, and you just need to simply type in like Facebook reel downloader, just like that. So you can just use any of these reels downloader, of course, and you just need to simply paste in the link that you just copied and press on download. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.